get your ratchet busting. Don't ask for nothing. You left the group after some shit we resolved without speaking to your dogs. That's when I knew that dude be faking. I seen somebody not pick up when somebody else kept ringing. You could die over these simple miscommunications. They see me, they see M3S3. Connect the dots to point out a star. Constellation. Small blade just to slash your face with. The skin on your bones gonna open up like centerfolds after the lacerations. What? That's a 50-50 split after we catch wreck like arbitration. A dome shot will leave your head on the wall like you eavesdropping a conversation. I say,
M3S3.